The Infinix Note 30 is the first budget smartphone in my country to have wireless charging and reverse wireless charging. With its 15 watts wireless charging capability and its ability to charge 68 watts wired, Infinix is calling this smartphone an all-round wireless flagship. I mean, it isn't a flagship device, it's a budget smartphone with some flagship charging features, but is it worth buying? How well does it perform and how good are the cameras? We're going to find out, but first, let's see what it comes with in the box. Now, the Infinix Note 30 Pro goes for 175,900 Naira or $234. And check this out, it comes bundled with a 15 watts wireless charger. Now, other smartphone makers will sell you their wireless charger to make more money, but Infinix is including it free of charge. Infinix. Now, here's the smartphone. It comes in two colors, variable gold, which is the one I have here, and magic black. It comes with an MTN-free data card, a hard plastic case, glass screen protector with cleaning kit, 3.5mm earphones, a USB Type-C cable, and a 68 watts fast charger. Now, moving to the build quality, the Infinix Note 30 Pro feels well built. It feels good in my hand. The rear is made from glass, it has a plastic frame, and the front glass doesn't have Corning Gorilla Glass protection, and as you can see, I already have a scratch on it. For the IP rating, it's an IP53 dust and splash resistant smartphone. It can survive water splashing on it from all angles, but I wouldn't advise you to dip the smartphone inside water. Now, moving to the external features, it has a dual SIM card and memory card tray. This smartphone is a 4G smartphone, so no 5G here. At the top, it has an outlet for one of the speakers. On the right side is where the volume and power buttons are located. The power button also serves as the fingerprint scanner, and as you can see, it's fast to unlock the smartphone. It has a 3.5mm audio jack, a microphone, a USB Type-C port, and the main speaker. The speakers are tuned by Infinix and JBL. The stereo speakers on this smartphone sound good. Moving to the rear, this smartphone has 3 cameras. It also has an LED flashlight. Back to the front, it comes with a 16-megapixel selfie camera and a flash LED light. Now, the haptics on this smartphone are alright. They're not that powerful, but it's what you would expect from budget smartphone around this price range. Moving to the display, check out how thin the bezels are. It comes with a 6.78-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED panel with a refresh rate of 120Hz and a touch sampling rate of 360Hz. This display is vibrant, smooth, and very responsive. The display is also color accurate as it shows 10-bit color depth and it covers 100% DCI P3 color gamut. If you're the type that uses your smartphone outdoors, you will be pleased to note that it has a peak brightness of 900 nits, so you can use this smartphone under direct sunlight. For consuming content, you're going to love using this display. The size is right, the dual stereo speakers sound good, the display is also kind to your eyes, it has eye care mode, and it is certified by TUV Randler as a low blue light display with no flickers. Now, moving to the processor, it comes with the Mediatek Helio G99 processor. It's a 6nm chipset that delivers great performance and it is power efficient. Looking at the Antutu score, the Infinix Note 30 Pro has a decent score for a budget smartphone. For context, here are 2 other smartphones within its price range. The Samsung Galaxy A24 has the same processor with the Infinix Note 30 Pro, and the Redmi Note 12 Pro 4G comes with a Snapdragon 732 chipset. And from the numbers, the G99 processor is the faster chipset. Moving to Geekbench, the Note 30 Pro has decent single and multi-core scores, and again, for context, the G99 is the faster processor. Sorry, Snapdragon fans. Now, for gaming, the Infinix Note 30 Pro comes with the Mali G57 MC2 GPU, and it runs PUBG at HD graphics and high frame rates. The game ran well with no overheating, partially thanks to the vapor chamber cooling system in the smartphone. With this smartphone, you can play games for long hours and the temperature won't burn your hands. Moving to Call of Duty, it played the game at medium graphics and high frame rate. It's not the best graphics settings for smartphones around this price range, but the gameplay was smooth. Genshin Impact ran on the lowest graphics settings. You can increase the FPS to make the gameplay smoother, but it did drop some frames afterwards. Mobile Legends Bang Bang ran at high refresh rate and high graphics, and the game played well with no heating. Playing games drains the battery of your smartphone, and charging while playing game would make your smartphone become hot. Now, with the Infinix Note 30 Pro, you can charge it and game at the same time. It has a feature called bypass charging, where if you connect the original charger, the power supply will bypass the battery to power the smartphone. It comes with 8GB of RAM that you can expand further to 16GB of RAM through memory fusion. Even without expanding the storage, this smartphone is snappy and multitasking is good. For the Android operating system, Infinix Note 30 Pro is running Android 13, that's the latest Android operating system, and there's no news from Infinix if it's going to get further Android updates. Bloatware is also present on this smartphone. Luckily, you can disable them or uninstall them, and I recommend you do that because that way you're going to save yourself some space. Now moving to the cameras, the Note 30 Pro has a 16 megapixel front-facing camera, and in the dark it does okay. It also has a flash LED light, and with that you can take pictures when there's no light source. Now for this picture I was facing a window and it looks okay, but outdoors is where the selfie camera shines. The picture it captures look natural and not processed. Portrait pictures look sharp and it captures plenty of details. It doesn't handle the separation of the subject from the background that well, but overall the picture looks fantastic. What's up guys, so here's a video from the front-facing camera of the Infinix Note 30 Pro. It has a 16 megapixel front-facing camera. What do you guys think about the video footage? It's shooting in 2K 30 FPS and it doesn't look bad, to be honest. It doesn't look bad at all. What do you guys think about the video quality and the audio quality? Let's see how well it's handling dynamic range. It's not handling dynamic range too well, but what do you guys think about the video quality and the audio quality? Shooting in 2K 30 FPS. Let me know in the comment section below. That's Brownie over there looking at me and wondering what I'm doing. Now the front-facing camera has the video bokeh mode where it blurs out everything in the background and just leaves me in focus. Now in this mode it shoots in 720p 30 FPS. Look at Brownie over there, she's blurred out. So what do you guys think about it? Is this something you're going to use? Let me know in the comment section below. Now still on the front-facing camera, it has ultra steady mode where it stabilizes the footage if you're jogging or running. In this mode it shoots in 1080p 30 FPS. So I'm going to stop talking right now and give you a sample of me jogging, and let's see how well it stabilizes the footage. Now moving to the rear, it comes with a 108 megapixel rear camera. For the main camera, it takes good looking pictures outdoors. It captures plenty of details. The pictures it takes don't look over processed and I like them. You can also activate the 108 megapixel camera mode, and when I compared it with the binned picture, they kind of look the same. Taking portrait pictures of my dog, they look fantastic and have plenty of details. The camera knows when you're about to take a picture of a flower and it enhances the color. Now capturing a human subject, the picture doesn't look bad. Portrait pictures look good and sharp. You can also capture macro shots with this smartphone and it just looks there, to be honest. Sky Shop is available on this smartphone, and with it you can change the sky and add a moon if you want to. Now moving to videos, capturing footage where there's not enough light, this smartphone handles it well. The video you're watching right now was shot using the 108 megapixel rear camera on the Infinix Note 30 Pro. It shoots in 2K 30 FPS, so no 4K on this smartphone. What do you guys think about the audio quality and the video quality? Let me know in the comment section below. This is the dual video mode where you can use the front and rear camera to record at the same time. What do you guys think about the video quality and the audio quality? Obviously, the rear camera video should be better, should look better, but hey, I can just switch it around. And anyways, what do you guys think about the video quality and the audio quality? And is this something you're going to use? Let me know in the comment section below. Now, this is the video bokeh mode on the Infinix Note 30 Pro. In this mode, it shoots in 720p 30 FPS, so the quality is not that great. But what do you guys think about the bokeh effect? How is it separating myself from the background? Let me know in the comment section below. The Note 30 Pro comes with a 5000 mAh battery, and because it has an AMOLED display and a power-efficient processor, it will last the entire day. For the charging time, using the 68 watts fast charger to charge this smartphone, here's the breakdown. For my test, it got to 77% in 30 minutes and it was fully charged in 46 minutes. Now, fast charging on this smartphone is totally safe. It has up to 63 different charging protection covering scenarios like unstable voltage, extreme temperature, dust, humidity, and lightning strikes. Now, using the wireless charger to charge up this smartphone took a while, and that's because it's a 15 watts wireless charger. Now, you're not going to see any other video on YouTube where the wireless charging test was carried out because it takes a lot of time. So please like this video and subscribe if you appreciate the time and effort that we put in to make this video. The Note 30 Pro also has reverse wireless charging, and I was able to charge all my smartphones that have wireless charging, but somehow it didn't work for my earbuds. This smartphone supports common charging protocols like PD 3.0, 2.0 and PPS, and with that, you can use the smartphone as a power bank and charge your laptop if you want to. With this smartphone, you can keep the charger of your laptop, smartwatch and other devices at home and use the Note 30 Pro to charge them wired or wirelessly. That's incredible. Now, after using this smartphone, I think the Infinix Note 30 Pro is impressive. It's the first budget smartphone here in Nigeria to have wireless charging and reverse wireless charging. It has a great AMOLED display, good performance for its price, a solid battery and decent cameras. So what do you guys think about the Infinix Note 30 Pro? Let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching my review. Subscribe and like this video if you found it to be useful. That's it from me, Valor Reviews, signing out.